Shift on the spike, guys. Nobody's shifting. Nobody's shifting. Good up. Good spot. Good spot. Just play smart like that. That's all you guys gotta do all day. You guys are not shifting when you guys play.
My
D.
gosh,
You guys' D is horrible, but you guys got it though. Get up, get up, get up, get up. There you go, Sal. There you go, Sal. Good hit. Huh? You're playing like it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Ow, dude, stop. That's my ankle. I don't think you can redo the damage already. Yeah, you look tired. Want me to record you?
No!
But for real though. Team's not talking to me. He's avoiding me. Oh shoot.
You're stupid. Maybe we're gonna crack on here.
I know. Yeah, that was it.
Sniper!
No shift, no movement, no shift. You guys are not shifting. Where's the overtouch? Where's the overtouch? He reached over. Where he reached over? You guys see that? So I was gonna set it, but he reached over and hit it. Heck of cheat.
Like the last time, he got the free ball, and he was going for a free, but last time he went
Yeah,
and screwed everything up, and I was like,
it's true though.
yeah. Like last minute he changes to
I know, you can't just, yeah. Get the ball, good ball! Get up, get up! That was beautiful. I caught that on camera. Best cameraman in the world. Let me zoom in on Neil's butt though. Oh shoot. Hey, the camera's about to die. That booty was too much for the camera. Oh man, good hit, Neil. Good hit. Good up, good up. Good job. Get over, get over.
Oh shoot!
Get up, get up, get up. Kill it, baby. Woo! Kill him. Hashtag kill him. That's gonna be on Facebook.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah,
I meant YouTube. What? They look out on the camera. They looked out on the camera. Good up, guys, good up. D.
You gotta show the scoreboard.
Alright, we winning. 21-14.
I think I turned that.
Yeah, I ain't gonna let them catch up though. Hopefully. If they catch up though, we calling a timeout and we're gonna be like, I'm born you're here in America.
What?
Oh, I don't know, it's a YouTube video. Good job, Nah, good job, good hit. There you go, there you go. That's right. You say that again? Can you say that again, please?
Stop, my nigga. Dude, oh my god, whenever they see this video though.
Oh, good hit. Good hit. That was a good hit though. I ain't gonna lie. Let's show that guy's booty. It ain't as good as Neil's booty though. Hopefully they don't hear me on the camera. I'm not stupid. I'm the smartest man in the world. The best commentator in the world. Ponya! It's alright, it's alright. Good up, good up. Keep your heads up. Yeah, Ponya, Ponya. Ponyo. Ponyo. Nigga. You said Ponya.
Yeah, and I corrected myself.
Good job, y'all. Good job. What?
I corrected myself.
Yeah, we're home. We're home. Good tip, good tip.
Oh, shoot.
You got blood by girl.
Yeah, get up.
Get up, get up, get up. Smart place, smart place.
Which one?
Push one, Neil, and we'll show more of that booty.
Come on, Neil. You got this, Neil.
Why are you laughing?
Whoa!